Hey, man, quick tip from the Golf Cart Whisperer, man. 28 years of experience. Fix any problem you got. Give me a call, watch my video. The problem we're having here is, man, intermittent running. Because we rent it out, come back in not running. What we found out, man, is when you put it on 6 people, there's a 6-seater. If you look at the fuel line is between the motor mount and the frame. And as they put more weight on it, you can see that it's flat in this line. Where it pinches it shut. You can see a split line, split insulation. Yeah. So I want to show you all that, man. So if you have one like this and it's under here, take it and zip tie it up here. Because if not, man, it will give you intermittent running and you'll be kicking yourself in the butt, man, because you can't figure out what's going on with it. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post more. Watch another video, man. Have all 400 videos for 99 cents. You become a member and you get early access to 150 videos. If you ever need any help, man, reach out to me on the video and I answer every question. Y'all stay tuned.